Okay, this is Leike adjustable exercise bench. I'm going to unpack it and put it together. Hello, Pickles. Oh, give you a wrench and a pin, probably for the adjustable part. Quick release pin. Well, they do give you instructions, just in case we need them. Looks like most of this is all together. Must be where the pin goes. Just gonna put in for now, because I don't want it to keep going back and forth on me. Okay, kind of little sticker tells you to watch where you put your hands. Okay, once you get the bolts out, make sure you put the caution sign, the sticker on the outside. I would assume that's correct. Oops, I have it upside down. Well, okay, now I have it right. Okay, like I said, put the caution side out.
Put that one in. Fairly snug. Okay, I get the wrench they give you. I tighten a little, tighten a little. I like doing it this way, it gives you equal pressure. Okay. Okay. Now we have that.
Then you do this foot pad. All right, this one has 2 washers. And this one has 2 washers. I'll show you with the washers why it has 2. And then this one only has 1 washer. Okay. Now, okay. Now, it has a rubber foot. It's going to go down on the ground. So we're going to stick this in. We're going to put the one on the bottom first. Just a little snug, you don't have to tighten it up all the way. And now we have this, okay? Now these had 2 washers. This seems a little snug here, okay? And you're putting this on. But what you're going to want to do is you want to get 1 washer behind it, okay? 1 washer behind it, and 1 washer in front of it. Okay? Get your bolt started. Okay, then when it pops into place there, okay, just turn it a couple times so that you can see it. And so that it's not so tight that you can't move it. Okay. All right. Have the nut and 2 washers. Take 1 washer off, lift this out and slide it underneath. Okay, whoops. Okay, let's try that again. One washer out, slide it underneath, push it up, then hold it with your thumb. Okay, and put the other one in. Okay, you'll feel it, you'll hear it go into place. Turn it backwards if you have to, and then turn it forward to where you go in. Okay. Now, you want these to be somewhat snug. But we're going to tighten it up. Okay, now it's difficult to move, but it's not impossible, and that's what you want. Okay, so that you can adjust it to where you want it, and then once you find that the location that you want it, then tighten them up all the way so that it doesn't move on you. Okay, that makes it real simple. That made it real simple. Now, you have these. This one here, when you want to relocate it, it has a little arrow here. You turn it, but then you can pull it. When you pull it, now you can adjust how you want the seat. Once it gets to the position you want, now you turn it the other way and lock it in place. Now you can sit on it. Okay. Get your feet underneath here. Now, you want this to go all the way down so it's nice and flat. Unscrew it. To where you can pull it out. Then it'll click right into place. It's safe. But if you're working with some heavy weights, Okay. Wow. Might have to do some sit-ups. Try to work this away. All right, well that was a simple unpack. Real simple. So if you want one of these, it's in the description. And you can purchase one of these yourself. Just click on the description. It'll take you right to where to purchase it. And we're going to start working out here. And there goes Pickles. Pickles! All right. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Send it to your friends. Somebody who wants to work out. Tell you what, it's pretty good, sturdy bench. I was surprised. I didn't think it was going to be. I wasn't sure, but I think it's a good quality. All right. See you on the next one.